Make Tibetan prayer flags. Tibetan prayer flags are used to bring good luck and fortune. In the Himalayas, these flags help bless the countryside surrounding the flags. They are originally made with blocks of woods and printed with religious images and texts. However, these flags are not only limited to Buddhists, but can also be used at home or as part of a child's art craft. If you want to know how to make one, here are the things you need to do. Prepare the materials. You'll need paper of different colors of green, white, yellow, blue, and red. Look for a paper that is a bit stiff and hard. You'll also need glue stick and glue gun, a pair of scissors, and some thread. Get a template. Look for available Tibetan flag templates online. There are a lot of templates you can easily download from a variety of sites. Print out the prints on each of the colored papers that you have in landscape view. The printouts should have gray lines surrounding them, and you need to cut the flag templates out based on this gray background. Fold the paper with the greatest excess space over the top until you have a flap on the paper. Arrange the flag templates. Lay down the flag templates. Arrange the flags face down as follows: yellow for earth, green for water, red for fire, white for wind or air, and blue for sky or space. Since you're going to glue the pieces as they're face down, make sure they're arranged in a reverse order. Add the thread. Cut a piece of thread whose length depends on the distance between the 2 points from where you want to post the flags. Add glue at the back of the paper, directly on the middle of the upper fold. Place the thread in the middle and flatten the paper with your fingers. Add an inch of space between succeeding flags. It may be hard to ensure that the flags are placed in the middle of the thread as the flags are hanged, so begin gluing the first flag at a considerable space from the end of the thread so you can make the necessary adjustments as required. Make Tibetan flags as a project for kids. If you want to have kids make Tibetan flags as a special project, have them cut bed sheets with an 8x 9-inch measurement. Instead of getting the traditional templates, just have them dye each cloth piece in the required color. Have them get embroidery thread or twine to stitch to each fabric, connecting the pieces together in the required order. Ask the kids to make a wish before hanging the flags in their rooms. You can also display a series of Tibetan flags on a single embroidery thread, about 4 flags on a single twine that you can easily hang in your classroom. You're free to display these Tibetan prayer flags anywhere in your home, but if you want to follow one of the popular beliefs, hang it outside your door or any place where there's wind. It is believed that each time these flags are swayed by the wind, a prayer is sent up to heaven.